Gotta love junkie equipment. Junkie tried to key up twice with no audio. He keep yelling it's the battery for months. I told him it's a shout-out trigger. Let's see how long it takes him to really figure it out. Nice and quiet out here. Just the way we like it. Junkie monkey free. The king. TGIF. Audio. Audio check. The king of New York. No doubts about it. The fast talking, slow walking, needle dancing, skip shooting, audio slinging, big badge wielding, second son of the big gun. Audio. Hole in the wall. Brooklyn CB shop got down. I think I hear Eddie.
Hey, dog, get back in your doghouse. Get back in your doghouse, mutt. Get back in your doghouse. Quiet.
I heard the pickup truck. I heard the pickup truck. I heard the pickup truck. I heard the pickup truck around Route 3. See Caucus, New Jersey got down.
The junkie monkey. Hey, man. Hey, man, you gotta
Boy, Birdie sound like shit. Hey, junkie alert, junkie alert. I think COKIE Bird at Utica and Atlantic again, squawking his little chicken beak. Audio. Hey, Bird, I'll tell you what, Bird. Don't try to key to me unless you're at wind dropping 46. I'm not going to hold my breath waiting on you. I told you, junkie bird, COKIE Bird, your bird heritage comes from chicken. The #1 DOD assassin got down. Oh, I'm sorry. He's playing gangster. I want to fight you rap, or what I'll do to you rap. This is his big fight. Hold on. Is this the same guy that had heart failure about me having a shotgun in my video? That ran around to about 12 different police departments and 3 prosecutors' offices trying to get me locked up? And then tried to tell the whole world what kind of rifle it was, and that it was modified and altered and painted and all that other shit. I mean, they had to be looking at him like he was a cuckoo. You know, a lot of those old-style guns, they really don't need to be oiled up as a lot of these new dogs. You know, a lot of this new weaponry, they have to be very well oiled. And I mean very well oiled. And that leaves an odor about a half a block away to a trained nose. The king of New York got down like that. Oh, check out that little bitch. Running that shit I was running up on the hill, man. See, I could do that, man. I got a badge that says I can. I'd love to see you try that. My shit say no knock. I'm coming in hot. I'm coming in hotter and hot. I'm coming in A. God, that sound like shit. Damn, that shit sound like shit. You know, I can't wait for him to get over that 3-0. If he can get over that 3, he's within my vision. But knowing him, he'll just come flying down Winthrop. I guess cokeheads get off on this. COKIE Bird about 20 blocks away, plugging my ears and in Fantasyland at the same time. That's what happens when you hold your microphone keyed while a car stereo is playing with a non-grounded mag. Or a non-grounded system to start with.
The junkie monkey. Yep, pointing on the junkie monkey up there.
Boy, he's so coked out of his gills. Listen to him. I'll be back. I'm going to start the coffee pot for the second pot. Oh, the king of New York, I'm down and out. TGIF to all my friends, fans, and viewers. Your Brooklyn video gate is rolling. Don't mind old COKIE Bird. 20 blocks away and scared shitless there. The king of New York, Bakwa. I don't know, man. I hear you out there calling Richie. I also hear Crazy Fag Me Want to Shag Bag Me Eddie emphasizing that Birdie's 20 blocks away, croaking like a chicken and got my ears. But I'm going to go play with the coffee pot, man. He got to make it to work soon. It's only about 10 minutes of this bullshit. I'll be right back. Listen to this coked out motherfucker. Frustration. Audio. Hey, yo, Eddie. Eddie. Hey, Eddie, that's what a leash look like, Ed. Hey, yo, Eddie. Hey, yo, Ed. Hey, yo, Eddie. That's what a leash look like right there, right, Ed. Yo, Eddie. That's what a leash look like, Eddie. I'm sorry I don't allow dog runners on my leash. or chicken birds they might be chasing. The king of New York and up, down and out.
Chunky monkey. Hey man, you got a dollar you can spare? On the way down, Mr. J. We're on the way down. Welcome to the weekend, Jeremiah 206, baby.
Roger, right on the way down. Audio. Roger, right on the way down. Audio. Roger, right on the way down. Roger, right on the way down. Oh, worldwide radio cut off. Worldwide radio cut off. Worldwide radio just got cut off. Uh-oh. Shit, yo. Always do that. Always do that. Always do that. Always do that.
Crush the chunky buggy, the chunky buggies. Now I got two chunky buggies.
Wow, we got Enforcer and COKIE Bird. COKIE Bird. Coke Bird. Key it up. At the same time. Audio. Drive.
With my first cup of chock full of nuts. Oh yeah, remember that? It's a heavenly coffee. That's some good shit, man. I love that coffee. You can't beat it.
I'm so glad he ain't got my nuts on his mind this morning. Let's see how long it takes to have that. Oh yeah. Little King Audio. Little King Audio. Little duck plucking King Audio.
Yes, sir, Mr. 250, jug full of nuts.
And I just got down. Worldwide radio cut off. I think they're making another fake 8 again, man. Sounds like we're doing fakery again. Audio. Audio. Oh yeah. Sound King Audio. Sound King Radio.
Really today, man. Hey, is that true that Richie...
All right, man. I don't know how far you are on your way in, but I could see that I'm going to be the topic again today. I'm just going to take Birdie out for the next 10 minutes, and then I'm going to finish making this pot of coffee. Audio. Sound King Audio. Sound King Radio. Audio. The King of New York. I got the Midas touch. Audio. The King, baby, the King. Audio. The King of New York. Oh, Sound King Audio. Sound King Radio. Audio. I don't know. I guess they were a little mad. I fucked up their fake video gate. The King of New York, I'm back quiet.
Half of, because she used to lean in front of the building. Yeah, man.
I'll be back in a little bit, alright, guys? You're holding the wall, CB Shop. Richie. Radio. Audio. Drive.
Richie was giving brain sucking cock back in...
You could only wish. I wonder what stories they're going to come up with next.
Forget it, man. Forget it.
Forget it. You know, there'd have to be some kind of video, audio recorder or something of that somewhere. Oh my goodness gracious, what kind of lies are we going to entail and weave now? The King of New York just got down.
4 pounds, and it's about 3 inches thick in paper. I'm still reading through it.
That's a shame. That's a shame when got a rob. When you got.
I don't know, man. They are making up so many stories, dude. They're making up so many stories on me. I know why, though. Because they realize what time it is. And they know they're running out of time. Quick, fast, in a hurry. They got to try all they can before radio heaven comes upon their head. Oh, I'm sorry. And all the rumors about what I may or may not be get surely squashed right quick.
Hey, 250. I'm telling you, man, he hears COKIE up, and he gets irrational, irate. He gets all emotional. He turns every fucking knob he got.
Bird, I've been doing that to you for almost 2.5 years. How many videos did I have you pull down? Coked out motherfuckers, these two are. Coked to the gill. He's so full of shit. Everybody out here knows Mr. Enforcer could never ride Richie anywhere until he got that 2-pill. And since he got that 2-pill, he's been lying ever since about when he's running it and not.
So, now they got a little advantage. They could
Well, let his video gate tell the story.
In their cars or diesel trucks.
Wow, look at them pleading his case. He's pleading his case really hard. Cop him, please.
Yeah, 206, he likes to go right at the waterfront, or he likes to go on top of a high bridge, because he can't play fair. Yeah.
Do you know how many times 206 aims his camera out the window and shows you he's in a yard with mountains all around him?
High structure, like a bridge.
I don't know, man. I've seen 206 many times flash his camera and show you that he's in a massive construction yard with mountains all around him. Man, I can't see a bridge anywhere in them videos. The King of New York got no.
He can't even come in my background. Richard, give it up, you crackhead. Brain.
Isn't Crackhead over there screaming and yelling about how I could step on him, how he's been lying since he got that 2-pill, and now he's trying to play out 206, but anybody that captures 206 videos, watch 206 on numerous occasions, spin that camera and show you he is in a Mad Mac pill construction yard with garages and mountains all around every side. He spins that camera. Not a bridge or water to be seen or found. I got no.
Then you got the crackhead who thinks he's a technician.
And then we got COKIE BIRD over here. Man, if this guy left the coke alone, he wouldn't be so bad. And you got a dead Carl Bertanowski for taking down the video because Birdie begged him, where Birdie was snorting all the coke in it. So that's why we put Carl on the enemy line list. Carl's a jerk-off and a douchebag and has no interest in truth and justice. I'm sorry, I'm not supposed to say that's a shared account by the three of them, my bad. I'm back in the hole.
With the dicks busted out their bellies and then go home and masturbate to that. That's all.
Damn, man, this dude gets so tied on what my young little teenage girlfriend used to do for kicks. Oh, man, the King of New York, I'm back quiet.
Multiple times, multiple charges.
God, listen to these guys, all coked up and stuck on repeat. You know, Bird left that cocaine alone. He might be a hell of a nice guy, but he's no tough guy. He's no gangster. Hold it, this is the same guy that ran around the police departments trying to get me locked up because I had a shotgun I was going to use as a wall prop in my video. Ain't that a bitch? A tough guy. A tough guy who's 20 blocks away threatening me, telling me he's going to be the one. He's coming to do this. My time is up. Does this crybaby sound like it's anything you need to be worried about? Let me get back in my hole. I'm starting to enjoy this show.
Don't stop, man. That's a low life right there. There's no woman.
That's it. Party over.
Despite his drug addiction and his psychosis, he hates women. You guys got him to...
Damn, dude, I apologize for being in his apartment all night doing those drugs with him, dude. I really do. NYC Radio Wars, the playlist on YouTube. Truth and Justice, 28 minutes to the end. We see who the junkie really is and who the back out is and who the runaway is. Truth and Justice. All in the interest of Truth and Justice. I got down.
Family to 3 boys, She didn't have a job. So she was basically a prostitute, And I don't, fault her for that because she did the best she could do to support those 3 brats.
Yes, sir. Anyway, Mr. 999, Mr. 250, it's about that time in the morning where I get a few minutes to finish up.
Crush. Yeah, Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sound King.
Sound King. Sound King.
Audio Drive.
Audio Drive. Audio Drive.
On top.